Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Calvin with another video. Today we're going to be going over price analysis or chart analysis of Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. I just go over sort of like my process of what I'm looking for as like a overview of the market. I can go into a little bit more details, but let me know in the comments below. I'm also doing coaching, so you can reach out to me. I mean, you can either go in the comments and just say hey, and I'll send a link over for you to schedule with me for like a discovery call. But you can also find my information on Instagram. I'll probably create a better funnel, but right now you can reach out to me through those channels. Without further ado, here is a chart analysis of Bitcoin. Today's June 6th. June is 6th. Today is June 11th. Yeah. All right, enjoy and subscribe. Cool. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment. Okay. Yeah. The first thing that I always want to do is just see what like the market sentiment is. So right here we have the fear and greed index. Basically, while everybody's really greedy, what we want to do is sell. And then when everybody's more fearful, we just want to buy and buy a lot because these things don't sway quite frequently. But overall sentiment right now is 72. So I would start looking or preparing myself to start selling. Oh, also, none of this is financial advice. This is just educational purposes. Yeah, if you guys have any comments or have any questions, just make sure to comment below. Okay, thank you. Also subscribe. Let's go. All right, cool. Okay, I'm going to try to make this as quick and easy as possible. This is sort of the setup that I use when I analyze generally. Okay, so I just used two EMAs, and the EMAs are, I think it was like a 200-day moving average and a 50-day moving average. So this one's the 50, and that one's purple. Yeah, this purple line. And then the other one that I use is the 200-day. Again, this is just, I'm getting general market information here before we go into the details or like what I'm going to do. But yeah, if you have questions, make sure to comment below. Any questions? Okay, cool. I'm here to help. All right. So Bitcoin is at 108 right now, and we are at the weekly chart. So we're sort of zoomed out, but not like fully zoomed out. Yeah. Oh, the other indicators that I'm using is the RSI and the Stoch RSI. So yeah, let's just do weekly for now, so then we can make more videos. But usually what I would do is I would zoom out even more, maybe like the monthly. But yeah, let's go on weekly. So Bitcoin hit like another all-time high, which is pretty crazy. First thing that I'm noticing is we have divergence on the RSI. So usually when that happens, price is going higher while your indicator, and in this case, indicator would be RSI, is sort of going lower as price is going higher. So that should be a bearish divergence. If I'm wrong, my bad. I'll fix it over time. I'm just trying to get this video out for you guys. Okay, so there's bearish divergence. Usually when that happens, it either calls a reversal in the market, and mind you, this is on the weekly time scale, so this could be pretty strong. If it's on the monthly, it's really, really strong. If it's on like the 2 monthly, it's like hella strong. But yeah, it's on the weekly, so we sort of want to prep ourselves for more of a bearish sentiment, or like could be a reversal. But divergences can also get like basically like null and void after certain data. I'll clarify that later. But basically you just got to let it play out. And like if let's say, I guess as an example, let's say this RSI, as it's going down, if the RSI says screw it and breaks over this, let me get this line out of the way. Actually, let me zoom into it. So it was like this, but now it's like that. Okay, so basically what we would want to do to like null and void that divergence, we'd want to break this high right here, or like this resistance level. Oh my god, see if I can make this like a little bit brighter and not dotted, and 3. Okay, so we would want to break, actually not even here, maybe lower. So higher high, higher low, technically this is a higher low right here, but we want like a higher high. Yeah. 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 Cool. Let me know if you have questions. This would freaking confuse me too if I was like not explaining it to myself, but you do need certain like understandings of things, and I'm here to help for that understanding. But okay, so in general, we just have one piece of information that's like we might be bearish, maybe. Cool, one piece of information right now. Oh, let's go over the EMAs. So usually when the 50 EMA is over the 200 EMA, that is more of a, again, bullish sentiment, or like we would want to take trades going long, or like hoping that the price would increase. Simple strategy is if the price gets closer to the 50 EMA or the 200 EMA, you just want to buy. So like I guess in this example, we'd go down, it got close to the 50 EMA, see how it sort of like rejects here, we would buy, and then it went up. It got close to the 50 EMA, buy, and then it went up. That would be a way, or like strategy to use. Just one way. You want to combine all of this information. So yeah, we're pretty much, not pretty much, we are hella bullish still. But yeah, we have just like sort of like a bump in the road, prices going higher, and our RSI, which is measures pretty much like strength of the price, the strength is getting lower. So as it's going up higher, it's like weakening. Okay, cool. Next, we got the Stoch RSI, and right now, I don't think it's doing too bad. It hit 100, so like, okay. So what we're doing right now is Stoch RSI is also another like strength indicator, but it measures momentum using two different lines. They just call it the fast line and the slow line. So basically, if fast line goes over the slow line, we are bullish. If fast line goes under the slow line, we're more bearish. And then also we measure the strength in like I guess a number here. So right now we just got a weekly fast line cross underneath the slow line, which is orange. So blue under orange, bad. Blue over orange, good. And then strength wise, dang, how do I actually explain this? So what you would want to do, what would be super dope, is if the Stoch RSI is more on like the lower portion of the indicator, you would want the bullish cross up, which is blue over orange, and then they would have like all this like extra space to sort of grow. But if we are already like maximum strength and like it's just like hell, the momentum's really high right now, and it's more so than not, once it's maxed out, it's like doesn't really tend to stay up there. It like gets really really high on momentum, and then it sort of like cools down. So we're gonna need to watch this orange line to see if it crosses this 80 point, and like that would be more so like confirming, oh, we're going down. But right now we're still bullish. We do have like, again, a little bump up, two little bumps in the road, but yeah. Okay, cool. So I don't know what your strategy is. If you guys need a strategy, go ahead and hit me up. I do some coaching. Just put a little plug in there. You can DM me on Instagram. I think that's the best way. Or, comment down below and I'll help you guys out. The other thing, I guess we can measure, let's see, how long are we? Oh, 7 minutes. Okay, the video is getting close to a long time. So what I'm going to do, or not long time, it's getting there. Okay, so right now, I guess we can measure out like possible levels where we can sell. I guess right now is not the time to accumulate. Again, what we want to do is we want to wait patiently and sort of buy when it's like not doing great. At least if you're a long-term investor like me. So I just buy a lot when it's not doing great, and then I sell when it's doing great. So if you like a strategy like that, more so hands off, but you just got to keep an eye on the market. So again, hit me up for coaching. But yeah, so right now I wouldn't buy personally. If you do want to buy and sort of do like a more not day trade, don't, I mean, up to you if you want to day trade. That's I don't personally. I mean, I do it for fun sometimes, but not with a lot of money. But yeah, you would want to zoom into the daily time frame, and then, I mean, if we were to do that, I guess some cool entry places. I mean, you can use that same strat. We have the 50 EMA right here. You would just wait till it sort of gets down here. And like that, a good buying area would be like 102, 102K. Another cool area to buy. Huh. Not the best place. Sorry, I'm drawing support and resistance areas. Maybe that's too wide. Let's see. Got here. Oh, okay. I guess this could be a good place to possibly have an entry. All right, all right, all right. Oopsies. Right here. This green area. Yeah, that'd be a good area to buy. But yeah, this is a little concerning, this bearish divergence. Well, I mean, if it's diverging, we could expect good places of entry. But basically, just wait for it to fall, enter, and then, or wait for it to fall and then look for signs when it's sort of like exhausted, like selling, and then we just buy up. I know that's easier said than done, but yeah, there will be signs. But yeah, we'll just go through just those indicators today. I do have other indicators, or if you have any indicators that you want me to go through, I could do that too. But yeah, just here to help. Thank you. Again, make sure to subscribe. If you stayed the whole video, thank you. Yeah. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, subscribe. If you guys need coaching, I'm available for coaching. Go ahead and comment below, or there's a link in my Instagram. Yeah, you can find me there. Cool. I'll see you soon. I'm going to try to pump out more videos. If you have any more questions, again, I feel like this is the third or fourth time that I'm asking. But yeah, just let me know. I got you. Have a good day. Okay, so